So I wanted to show you guys really quickly just a couple of the things that I got recently I'm super excited about. So you guys know how much I love Erykah Badu. I don't know if my other vlog is gonna be up before this one or not, but this was her original incense that she released. So it's really strong, smells so good. And after her concert, she released a limited edition version of her same incense. So I'm not sure if the smell is the same, but the packaging is different. Oh, the packaging is so bomb. Look at this, you guys. This is so bomb. They have the instructions for you on the back though, because the smell is so strong. So it does tell you, I think you should let it burn for 5-minute increments and then put it out. I cannot get over this packaging though. This packaging is bomb. Here's what they look like. Yeah, I think it still comes with 26. I can smell it a little bit in here, and I do think it's the same scent. But they last you so long because it's so strong. Even after you put it out, it's still gonna be, the scent will still fill up your room or whatever area you've lit it in. Her original ones always would sell out within like the first 10-20 minutes. These literally sold out in like 5 minutes. So I was so happy that I could grab this. And I went to the concert, so it's just another nice thing that I had to commemorate, you know, that whole experience that I talked to you guys about. Because I really love this bathing suit that I got last year for my birthday, and my birthday is in March. Another item that sold out right away, right after I copped it. But it's a really pretty cream bathing suit. Woman owned. Her products are so good. The quality of her bathing suits are so good, like no other. They literally look like if you had clothes on. The fit is so good. So I really wanted another bathing suit from her. And my last package is from Sorella. Oh, if you're not familiar with Sorella, I love her brand. I'm joining TikTok, same name as Instagram, @Franklin_. So the first thing we got is a nude dress. It's like a form-fitted bodycon. The back is open. So I'm really into like simple but cute. And so this dress was really pretty. A simple dress that you can dress up or down. This 3-piece bra. I don't know if it's a 3-piece. It might be a 2-piece, but it's a bra and skirt set. Look at the pattern on this. But give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. If you want more unboxing from me, I love unboxing and sharing with you guys what I'm getting, and just to let you know what I'm into in case you're looking for a new clothing brand. This was a small unboxing, but I do have a new beauty and body favorites video that's about to come soon. I'm going to be showing you guys all of my favorite body products as well as like my favorite makeup products right now. So I definitely think that'll be a great video. You guys know I love making stuffed fish, so I'm making stuffed baked potatoes with shrimp. You don't just need a whole lot of ingredients, but the more ingredients the better to give it more flavor so that you don't have to use so many seasonings. I love using a lot of different vegetables. So we're going to chop all of these up, and then I'll come back when I start putting the filling together. Yeah, it's been such a long day already. I just got in my room. Why did I lose my ID? I don't know what I did with it, but I lost it at the airport. So now I'm having a crisis. Look at Mocha. Hey, boo. This is such a bomb location where we are. We're on, I think this is Rush Street, but Oak is right next to us. This is literally the perfect location. There's so many stores and shops around here. The John Hancock building. We're on the 21st floor. This light is super cute. I'm wondering, does it come on or is it for decoration? But look, y'all know I had to, the first thing I had to get, okay? Look, y'all know this is the first thing I have to get though. Some crunchy curls. I'm stocking up and I'm definitely sending myself some home to me, okay? But I wanted to show you guys this picture right here. So we left downtown, now we're in the West Loop. This is still kind of considered a part of downtown. It's like the art district. It's a lot of stores and shops and restaurants all up and down like these 2 blocks right here. But this hotel is so bomb. It's so pretty. I knew it was gonna be like pretty like this. Dyson blow dryer. These are supposed to be so bomb. Great trip. I had to bring back some faves with me, of course. My hot crunchy curls, love Garrett's popcorn, and then I brought back some hot sauce from Lawrence's, a really popular seafood restaurant in Chicago. The sauce is really bomb. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up if you want more vlogs from me, and I will see you guys in my next one.